YouTube, back here today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my hair. Just a couple things, like tips that I use and do. You'll like
the best hair in the world.
Or make sure you don't turn it the whole way up. Definitely don't turn it the whole way up because you'll burn the shit out of your hair probably. That's what I do. Is like I do like pretty much everything. Like when you're straight down, I just take it real slow, go the whole way around. Like I'll show you guys how I do my hair. Is like even if you guys have curly hair or not, you can a straightener will work. Because like I thought my hair would never, like there was like a little flip to it, but if you I already have some of my hair already, but if you guys are gonna straighten your hair a decent amount of time, to get this stuff that so it doesn't fry your cuticles, it's like heat resistant stuff for your hair. You just spray, like if you're gonna straighten your whole hair, just spray it all around. Make sure it gets in there. I have really thick hair, so it probably take a couple sprays to actually get it in there. You can brush it through probably pretty lightly, and it'll be alright. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got it all brushed through. I'm just gonna hurry up and just go through and straighten this, and I'll show you like how I do my style and how I do it. You just keep going, you just straighten the whole way around for like, I'd say 10 minutes. I already did mine earlier, kind of, but I was just touching it up to show you guys how I do it. You just straighten up the back. Make sure you straighten up the back really good, because if not and it looks curly, it doesn't look as great. Just make sure you get the back good, because like if not, you don't want straight hair with a curly back. That's why I failed before. And it's looking pretty good, so I'm probably gonna be done. It just feels so warm. I don't want to step straight my hair. It's too warm. Well, I turned down the heat because for a couple, probably like half an hour, because like if I straighten my hair, I hate it because it makes me really hot. So if you're gonna straighten your hair, make sure you don't eat spicy food. You will be hot. Another thing you can do to make your hair maybe look a little bit raggedy or shaggy at the ends, you get a tease comb. I always like run it through a few times at the end sometimes. Like not always, but if I can remember, I use this comb and like do the ends. I always try to just be gentle because this brush is damn sharp. So I just like to get the tips just a little bit real lightly without like ripping my hair out. And wow, it's looking great. Yeah, this is how it turned out. Like this is how like I do mine. Like I just take my side of my hair, part it over a little bit. Boom, perfect. Yeah, you can style it how you want. I usually use a brush or a tease brush, but usually it's like that. Pretty good look. Pretty good look, I would say. Thumbs up. Yeah, if you guys liked it, comment, share, subscribe, whatever. Whatever you guys thought in the video, whatever I could do better or anything like that. My color, like my hair is on this side's brownish. The color still stayed in. It's like, no, I'm not leaving. But thank you guys. Peace out, guys.